Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. What exactly do you have planned for this?
This one's gonna be multiple spirals.
Multiple spirals.
Yes.
An idea we've always kind of toyed with. We've always attempted like one time, and it wasn't even a proper multiple spiral. It was just like 2 spirals. So something I've always been interested in. The multi-spiral. Grabbing a couple different points on there and twisting into a spiral. There's 2. Classic double spiral. The last one we didn't come out this clean either, folks. It was like one giant spiral, one tiny spiral. So this one's a lot more evenly spaced. Sorry if we're a little shaky, folks. It is freezing cold out here today.
That should be good.
The dyeing rack.
I think I'm gonna go with a Blinkle.
Blinkle. We love the Blinkles.
Are you cold, Daddy?
I'm freezing, man.
I know you are.
Daddy's in rough shape over here, but we're making it. Anything for the people. Gotta keep dying for the people.
Oh, a one-sided multiple spiral.
One-sided multiple Blinkle spiral?
Yeah, what do you think?
Oh, sounds like a winner to me.
Okay. Dad is just cold. Dad just wants to go inside. He doesn't care what I do.
I do too. I love the multiple spirals. This is one of my favorites that we've only done one other time. And this is how we've always wanted to do one like this. I don't know. We come up with all these great ideas and we never end up doing them. We do some of them, but other ones slip by. We're always either too busy doing things from the comments or stuff like that, so. Or custom orders. This is the majority of what we do is custom orders. Yes, you are correct. I am freezing. I'll be pulling out the blanket for the next one, people. Don't worry, because we're not done. So beautiful. So all told on this one we have hot pink, glacier blue, and lavender. A beautiful Blinkle tie-dye double spiral. Just one side?
This one side.
Alrighty, to the dyeing rack, or to the drying rack. Sorry. Middle shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.